Hey guys, important update for gold. Gold is currently approaching important psychological levels, and it is the great moment for us to discuss what to do next. In this video, we'll analyze gold on a weekly time frame, we'll analyze the situation on a daily, and we'll discuss potential scenarios, and we will discuss the important things to watch. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's start. As I predicted, this week gold reached a very important zone of confluence. Let me remind you traders that earlier on gold we spotted together a major falling trend line. If we take that structure high and draw a trend line, here we have a very strong falling trend line that was a phenomenally strong resistance in the past, and that turned into support after breakout. And also we spotted the summer's low. Yes, that horizontal structure. And we concluded that the confluence between that horizontal structure and that trend line gives us a very important potential reversal zone. Moreover, by the way, analyzing the price action, here I also spotted a harmonic movement. Here we have a very strong bearish impulse, then the retracement leg, and if we project this bearish impulse from the completion point of the retracement leg, you can see that here we have a very nice harmonic ABCD pattern.
Hey traders, learn how to trade in my premium educational group. There on daily live streams I will show you my active trading positions. There I will show you the trading setups that I'm currently looking at. If you want to combine the learning and earning experience, it will be the best place for you to be. For more info, check my website. It is vasilytrader.com/private group, or text me in one of the social networks. I will give you more details.
So the fact is, traders, that today we see a very nice bullish day. Buyers are buying from the upper boundary of that demand zone. But is that the moment for us to start buying and holding gold? Is that the moment to buy expecting a major reversal, a strong bullish continuation? Not really, I guess. Even though analyzing the price action on a 4-hour, we see a lot of bullish clues. Even though here on a 4-hour time frame we see a bullish breakout of that channel. Yes, you can see that here the price broke and closed above the resistance of the channel. I still believe that for now this bullish movement is just a correctional movement, and I believe that gold may go lower. Let me explain to you why. We are in a weekly time frame, and first of all, let's draw our summer's low again. Here it goes. And now let's zoom out the chart and analyze the structure and price action for the last 2 years. Here in the weekly time frame, we can see that gold is trading within a wide horizontal trading range. Here is our resistance, and here is our support. And watching how the price was reacting to the support of the range in the past, you can see that we initiated the strong bullish movements from lower structure levels. Yes, we have the levels lower, and technically speaking, here is our wide weekly demand area. And I want you to realize, traders, that watching that wick, we can easily conclude that the market for now didn't manage to reach a major weekly structure. The orders of banks, hedge funds, they are here, yes, within that zone. And now the market is retracing just from the daily structure. Yes, I hope you feel the difference. We started our analysis from a daily time frame, and we spotted our confluence zone based on a trend line and summer's low on a daily, but weekly structure is lower, and you can see that for now that weekly structure is not reached, and the market with a very high probability will drop to that support before it starts growing. We are in a daily time frame again, and we made the conclusion that even though the market is locally bullish right now, most likely it will drop lower. So our task is to identify the points from where the market may start falling. First of all, let's analyze this ABCD pattern. What do we know about the ABCD pattern? ABCD pattern is a pullback pattern. It doesn't give us the market reversal. It just helps us to predict a pullback. And usually the length of the pullback is based on the BC leg of the pattern. So let's take our BC leg and let's project it from the completion point of the pattern. Yes, here it goes. Now let's look left at structure. Looking left at structure, traders, you can see that right here we have a quite strong resistance. Yes, we have a very peculiar zone of supply right here. In the past it was supply, then after the breakout it turned into demand, and now again it most likely turned into supply zone. Yes, so we will watch carefully that structure, and we will assume that this bullish movement will manage to reach at least that resistance, and from that resistance the market will most likely start falling. So next week I want you to pay close attention to that resistance, right? I really want you to watch that resistance carefully, and within that zone I want you to look for a confirmation to short gold, expecting a bearish movement to that support. Of course, the market may break that resistance to the upside. Of course, the market may go a bit higher, and the next resistance and focus will be that structure. Yes, based on that low high. So these are two very important resistances from where we will expect a bearish movement to that support. But that is not all. Many people are saying that we should buy gold right now. Lower it goes, higher are our potential gains. And people say that chances are like 100% that from that support we'll see a strong bullish movement, because inflation right now is very high and gold is the main instrument for hedging inflation. But it is not really true, traders, and you can see this here that that logic doesn't really work. Moreover, I wanted to show you silver. On silver, we got a similar situation. We got a wide horizontal trading range on a weekly, and you can see how easily the price broke and closed below the support of that range. Do not believe that gold will hedge you against the current inflation. When COVID started, government started to print money. The supply of money increased, and we got the so-called monetary inflation. And for that reason, gold started to grow like crazy. Gold, Bitcoin, the stock market. And now the situation is different. Now the markets, the prices are growing. The commodity prices are growing because of the sanctions, because of the geopolitical tensions. And it is the completely different situation. Money supply remains the same, but governments impose sanctions and limitations. Yes, and in such kind of situation, gold does not hedge the inflation. So I really want you to consider a bearish scenario on gold as well. The fact is that winter is coming, and real recession may start. And I truly believe that if real recession starts, gold may easily break that support the downside. Yes, if we close below that weekly support, if we see the breakout attempt of that, if we see the breakout, gold will go much lower. Yes, the closest strong support that we see on the weekly is right here. So if we break that to the downside, we will see a very strong bearish movement. Traders, remember that now the situation is different. The inflation right now is different. Yes, right now there's a big problem with cash supply. Yes, businesses need cash. Everyone needs cash. And in order to get that cash, businesses will sell the assets. They won't buy gold for hedging. They will sell gold to get the cash. Yes, during the recessions, reading many books, I have found out that the main issue during the recessions is cash. Yes, and wanting that cash, businesses, big players, investors, they will sell Bitcoins, they will sell gold, yes, and it will lead to the decrease in prices. Let me know, traders, what do you think about such a view? Right, traders, I really want you to realize that I am not predicting that gold will drop. I'm just telling you that you should consider such a scenario as well. For now, we don't know what will happen, but we should be prepared for both scenarios. Of course, once that weekly support is reached, of course, we will look for buying opportunities from there. Of course, once it is reached, we will look for buying. But remember, similar to silver, gold may easily drop lower. Remember about that. For more education, for more tips, don't forget to check my premium educational group, traders. The link in the description below. Also, traders, please like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let me know in the comment section what do you expect from gold. What are your expectations? Thank you so much for watching.